Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Munyana Virabadru, your Go Tech Savvy virtual assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. We need to define what a QR code is. The full meaning of a QR code means a quick response. A QR code is a two-dimensional barcode that can be scanned by smartphones. QR codes can store a variety of information depending on what you need for your business. They can store URLs, phone numbers, addresses, and even text messages. So why do you need a QR code for your online business? In this digital era, having a strong online presence is important for your online business. And one of the easiest ways to enhance your business online is using QR codes. These are some of the benefits of using QR codes for your online business. 1. QR codes increase reach and engagement. You can place your QR codes on your website, social media platforms, physical products, and store signage. This makes it easier for potential clients to interact with your brand and learn more about your offerings. 2. QR codes can be used to collect leads. You can use QR codes to collect email addresses for your email list, collecting phone numbers, and other important information from your potential clients. 3. QR codes can be used to track the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns by embedding unique tracking codes within each QR code. This data can be analyzed to see which campaigns are generating the most traffic and engagement. 4. QR codes can provide a more seamless and convenient customer experience by directing customers to specific landing pages, websites, product information, or customer support resources, thus improving customer experience. So how do you create QR codes for your online business? There are many ways to create QR codes for your online business. Here are two easiest ways to create QR codes. 1. Use an online QR code generator. There are many free online QR code generators, such as the qrcodegenerator.com and qrstaff.com. Simply enter the URL, email address, or phone number that you want to store in your QR code, and a generator will create a QR code for you. 2. Use a QR code generator app. There are many QR code generator apps available for smartphones. Simply download an app on your mobile device using Google Play Store or Apple Store. Enter the information that you want to store in your QR code, and then the app will create a QR code for you. In the next segment, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your online business using Canva. So let's go into the tutorial. When you go on Canva, you're going to click on create a design. You can customize your size. I'm going to go on apps, then scroll down. Look for QR code. So I'm going to get the link, copy the link and paste the link or the URL, then click on generate code. Now the code has been generated. You can customize your colors, the margins. So I'm going to add some text on this QR code, but you can choose not to add the text on your QR code, and you can just share. When you're done, you download the QR code. You can now add your QR code on the template you want to share. Before sharing your QR code, make sure that it's working properly. A faulty QR code could lead to unexpected results such as directing users to the wrong website or even installing malware on their devices. One of the ways to confirm your QR code is using a scanner app. You can use your mobile phone to scan the QR code with your app, and it will display the information that the code is supposed to contain. After confirming your QR code, you can now share it to your audience. So here's how you can use QR code for your online business. 1. You can put your QR code on your website or your landing page, social media pages. 2. You can print your QR code on your physical business cards or your digital business cards, flyers, brochures, and other marketing materials. 3. You can also put your QR code on your physical or your digital products, such as your t-shirts, mugs, keychains, and on your digital products such as your ebooks. QR codes are a powerful tool to help you reach a wider audience, drive traffic to your website, collect leads, and track your marketing campaigns. If you need more help with creating QR codes for your online business, feel free to reach out to me. Link in the description box below. If you have any suggestions or questions, comment down below. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.